new Innova in 4 variants with prices ranging from 9.14 lakh rupees to 13.19 lakh rupees. Let's take it through what the new Innova is all about. In the front there's a bit of a facelift for the new Innova. What you can notice at first is the new headlights, which are now more rectangular rather than the old oval shape. We've got a new chrome grille and a new bumper design. You can see the headlight design extend even further up into the fender than it did before. This is part of the new design theme for the new Innova. On the sides you get integrated turn indicators in the mirrors and a little bit of chrome on the door handles, this being the top end VX variant of the Innova. The other change that the Innova has is on the inside. The interiors have been given a little bit of a makeover, as you can see. Over here you have the touchscreen music system, and this has got a Bluetooth as well as a reverse camera incorporated into it. The steering also has been redesigned with steering audio controls and Bluetooth phone controls. Dual airbags are standard on the top end variant of the Innova. The beige and grey color theme continues from the old Innova. The seating space in the Innova has always been one of the best in the MPV segments, and this has remained unchanged, and so this car should continue to remain comfortable. Toyota is positioning the new Innova as a premium family car. There are a few more changes that the Innova has got. Most noticeably are the new tail lamps. They now have a jeweled effect and a slight bulge where the indicators and the reverse lamps are. There's also a new bumper design which incorporates reflectors in the lower part of the bumper and a chrome strip running across the boot, which is also new. And this is something that's now seen on almost all the Toyota cars, from the Etios right up to the Fortuner. Overall, nothing much has changed majorly in the Innova. It's just a minor model change with some cosmetic upgrades to it, and it's now available in 4 variants. Like I said, priced from 9.4 lakh rupees to 13.19 lakh rupees. This gives the Innova a little bit more of a premium image, but otherwise all the essential qualities of the Innova